Good morning.
Good morning. 11 degrees. Ooh, it was cold.
Wow.
We pull out the solar panel, and Mark is getting rid of the condensation inside of the TV. Today we have a sun. It's nice weather. It's like sun feels so nice. I think we are gonna fold up the solar panel and the labeling box and then take off. The sun is quite nice, but it's still cold. Let's go. Bye bye.
Let's go.
Alrighty. Guys, we saw the some cake box on the some weird way. I'm gonna check it. Oh, closed! Closed! In Scotland, they have those kind of like little boxes, like kind of honest box. So you pick it up and pay there, I think. I think that's like really I want to try, but you know, yeah, closed.
Yeah. Stop at everyone.
Yeah. Before we leave Skye, and we heard that there's one spot you can see Highland cows. So we want to see it, so we pull over here. We decide to walk a little bit, getting close to the Highland cow. I can see right there. It's quite far away. I hope I can see because I love Highland cows. They are sexy and cute. This is the furthest point I think we can go, and still they're pretty far away, and they're not willing to calm down right now. So yeah, they have so many colors like black and white and brown and dark brown. It's nice to see them, but yeah, this is the furthest point. Bye, Highland cow. He's looking at me and ignoring me. Alright, that's it. We are gonna head to the Loch Ness. Loch means lake.
What's Loch Ness famous for?
Nessie!
Nessie.
Bye bye, Skye.
Bye, Skye.
So today, if we go there, it is like completely finished NC 500 route. Yep.
Around this turn, you'll see it. Right there.
어? 저거 내가 보고 싶어 했던 성! Yeah, this is the castle I want to see. Before we go to the Loch Ness, and Mark said like, oh, there's a beautiful castle. I was like, that looks familiar, because I marked that I want to see that castle, but somehow I didn't check the route well. But anyways, he found it, and we just like, let's find the parking spot, let's pull over, and then we did it, and then we stopped here. This is the like one of the three landmark. So I think when you see the Scotland tourism like a video, I'm sure that this castle is always there. Oh my god, I almost missed it. Thanks to Mark. So this is the maximum stay, is 3 hours. It's not working.
And I just put it in this way, see if it will work.
Contacting bank.
Approved.
Approved.
Oh,
Okay.
it works. Can we look around real quick?
Ah.
Made in Scotland.
Honey, look at this. It's so pretty. I like it. 티켓 사러 갈 거지?
Adult ticket. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you want me to serve you? Or are you happy to get it there?
Either way.
Sounds promising.
It's
It's your holiday.
It's good.
I love this. It's your microphone.
Yeah.
And do you do sort of broadcasting or podcasts?
Yeah,
and
we
do
do.
you? Cool.
Yeah.
Could-
CampingCarJoa.
Oh, right, I'm Joanna.
Oh,
I won't forget that.
Yeah, the first part of it.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
lovely
you.
day.
You
Bye.
too. Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
There's. Okay.
Alright,
Thank you. We got the ticket.
You got
Let's
the
go. Ooh. Hi. Hi. Okay. So when we entered the guy, he wore the kilt, which is traditional clothes. I love it.
powder magazine, that's where you store it, the gunpowder.
아, 이게 지금 여기 성 모습인 거잖아.
Oh, no, drone, drone shot right here.
다른 데로 가보자.
Yeah.
스텝 조심하래요.
Oh wow, we're going outside.
here. Actually, right now it's only us, right?
Oh, cool.
That's cool. So much. They said it no photograph, no video, so we cannot do it. It's too cold. 안에는 엄청 따뜻한데. Right? 잘 봤다, 아니야. 근데 약간 좀 쇼킹했던 게 아직까지 이게 private owner? 나는 이제 이게 약간 정부 소유나 이런 건 줄 알았다. 뭐 근데 개인 소유라서 좀 특이했던 거? We had a good time in the Eilean Donan Castle. Actually, we spent like more time than we expected, and then we were heading towards to the Loch Ness, so it's kind of delaying our schedule. We want to find a place to park and then sleep, and maybe tomorrow we're gonna live around.
Hey, there's Loch Ness. Keep your eyes open.
내시가 있는지 없는지 봐야 될까, 아이가.
Your destination is on the left.
Guys, we got in destinations. Right next to me is Loch Ness. We are gonna sleep near the lay-by. Not near the lay-by. It is lay-by. What I'm talking. Good morning, guys. It is a cold day today. It's -1 degree.
But I think the wind chill is like -20 with this strong wind.
Yeah, tomorrow I really want to do the Van Nevis. We gotta check the weather, and we need to be smart about it, that hiking. But before we do everything, we are gonna stop by viewpoint of Loch Ness. All right, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
아니 앞으로 네시가 보이는지 찾아봐라.
Nessie's probably migrated south.
어 예쁘다.
It's quite pretty here.
We park up the free parking lot. We're gonna go to the viewpoint and look at the Loch Ness and then take off. But I'm not brave enough to go out right now. Let's do this. 근데 진짜 조용하다 오늘. 뭐냐? 저 강아지야? 창문에 강아지네.
Oh, right there.
Hello. 좀 가보자. Okay.
Soup and cake. Food cafe.
Oh my God, it's tea.
Yeah.
Like you put it in your cup.
The
like
shape of
hang it.
Nessie.
Yeah. 아, 럭네스 관련해서 보인다.
That's where we are, Fort Augustus. We were sleeping last night about here, right? Goes here to the Ness River, and then
in Inverness.
Or get from this lot to this lot. Let's go to that multi-step lock system. Should we walk up the lots and then cross them?
Where's the viewpoint?
Viewpoint's down that one more. To be honest, we've already seen,
럭네스
Loch
엄청 많이 봤지?
Ness, yeah.
인버네스부터 계속 봤지?
but it will have a sign that says Loch Ness,
럭네스.
right?
그래 사람들이 그렇게 된다니까 봤는데 거기를 안 가면 뭔가 아닌 것 같다는 그런 거야.
Oh, look at all the
Oh,
ducks.
Hi guys. Quack 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 quack.
What's going on here? Wow, now you can see it really changes elevation a lot. Up here all the way to up there, right?
가는데 진짜 약간 그 뭐지 관광마을 같은 게 느껴진다 아니가.
Oh, it's like a pub, huh?
서클. 오 바람 부는 거 봐.
See that? We came all the way here just for this sign. Yeah.
Monster. Guys, we just took a picture of the Loch Ness sign. This area is really, really freezing cold and wind. Oh my God, it's so crazy. There's tons of tour buses coming right now. I think we fit tourists.
Yeah.
So
for
it's a
sure.
perfect time to look around, take a time. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, there's Tubi.
어,
No tour buses here, right?
여긴 조용해.
Alright, so next we're going shopping. At the base of the Ben Nevis range, minus all day, so for sure from the base of the mountains up, it's going to be snowing. So I don't know if it'll be a good idea to
그래.
hike there tomorrow. Finally only we saw Loch Ness.
지나가네 그래도 마을을.
Yeah, one last time.
어디가? 바이바이 럭네스. 하이도 바이바이 해라.
Bye bye Loch Ness.
여러분 저희 눈앞에 지금 벤네비스 산이 보이거든요. 지금 완전 눈이 뒤덮였어요. 벤네비스 산을 내일 올라가는 건 그냥 깔끔하게 포기해야겠다. We are in the home bargain. Grab some butane gas and the candles. Let's go.
Look at this.
네.
Something you'll only see in the UK.
TP가
440 bags. Not just one brand, but you have another brand here too. This one has 480 bags.
4.49.
Oh yeah.
One?
Yep. We're burning through them, but did you find them?
Mulled wine.
Mulled wine, nice.
Yeah, wine smell.
I think that's it. We're ready to go. Oh my
근데
gosh.
두 개만 사기로 했는데.
Need a workout. 30 pounds.
어때?
Yeah.
괜찮게 나왔다 야.
Okay, next is little.
가자. 바이바이. 뭔가 폭풍 올 것 같은 기분이잖아. Snowstorm.
Looks like a huge storm coming in.
Alrighty.
Should we get a shopping cart this time? This place looks like what they used to look like during the pandemic. It's like empty. Should we get some BAP? We haven't had BAP for a long time, huh? Here they don't call it BAP, they call it Scottish morning rolls. These mini fillets, right? So one chicken. We'll get one of these. Oh, goose.
Oh wow.
27 pounds. They call this a large turkey.
Too tiny.
They need to come to America and they'll see what a large turkey looks like, right? And beer prices in Scotland are not cheap. These are 2.2. Alright. Okay, we're done. How much this time?
39 pound.
Because we bought a lot of meat.
너무 어두워졌잖아.
Yeah. Maximum stay 3 hours.
Where are we now?
Morsels.
So we are in Morrison and it will be our last stop for shopping because we couldn't find other stuff. Lunch.
This is the only place we can find spam, right? Oh, chicken noodle 있다.
있어? Let's go
Yeah, you
buy.
love chicken noodle.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How much you pay?
31 pounds.
31 pounds. So 3 shops.
Exactly 100.
이거 아닌 것 같다니까. 비 내려 또.
Oh, true.
빨리 가자 우리. So, what did you do, honey?
Okay, so I packaged everything. This is for dinner tonight. And this is all stuff for later. We bought extra
Dye.
big ones so that it'll be cheaper. Put all this in the freezer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 됐다.
오, 나이스. 우리 근데 쇼핑 얼마 만에 간 거야? 장 보러 간 거.
한 3주? We eat a lot, so I'm living with a living veggie. Are you comfy?
너무 추워. 어떻게 이렇게 춥지?
I'm just gonna make a dish my mom used to always make. Any kind of cheaper cut of beef, and then with the cream of mushroom soup and potatoes. And the last piece of the puzzle is cream of mushroom soup. Okay, for me.
아니야, 여기 밑에 너무 추운 것 같아.
춥지?
좀 후회한다. 밑에 내려온 거.
I told you to stay up there.
너 냄새 너무 좋다.
너무 좋지? A little bit different from my mom's, but it should taste similar. So I think just spoon a little bit at a time, because otherwise it'll get cold.
Yeah.
It's so cold in here, right?
맛있다, 언니야. 감사합니다.
Yeah.
Good morning, TV crew. Before we leave Port Williams, will we want to look around? Cancer research. 이걸 하면은 그 기부가 된다는 거야?
Yeah, right. So people donate their clothes here. They sell it, and then that money goes to help. Oh, they have some new stuff here too. Look, price is really good. $2.99.
팔이 맞는지 봐야지. 팔 맞다.
What did we get?
우리 허니 워터프루프 재킷이랑 가디건 그 얼마인지 알아? 하니까?
18, right?
내 거는 얼마인지 아나?
You said it was £1?
진짜
No way,
£1.
really?
진짜 봐봐.
With that wool cardigan.
Oh.
Holy smokes. So mine was like kind of expensive then.
You donate for the
Yeah, it's actually goes
cancer.
to the cancer
Yeah.
research, so that's really nice.
그 영국에는 이런 게 있는 게 좋은 것 같다. 마을 조용하니 괜찮다. 다들 산 하러 가서 비수기인 것도 있다.
Alright, welcome back.
야 해가 없다 해가 없어. 호텔리엄 잘 보고 갑니다.
Yeah, it's a cool bridge. Reminds me of the bridges in Poland. Oh, look, what is this?
교회다.
That's cool.
어.
Especially looking for the environment.
Today we are heading to Three Sisters viewpoint.
Oh, it's just double parked.
Yeah, so cool. 와우. 어쩜 이래? 눈도 보인다 눈.
Wow.
이게 뷰포인트인 거잖아. So we're layered up. It's quite cold. So here's a sign. Here's a you are here. What we are seeing right now. This street here. And I think this is the best views, point. Seriously, you can see whole things from here. Look at that. And on the other side, you can see the waterfall over there. That's so cool. But it is cold. 와, 이제 춥다. 와, 근데 진짜 이쁘다. Guys, this viewpoint is really nice. You can see both sides, and then you can see whole pictures. And anyways, we are gonna slowly move to the Glasgow, and then try to get away from this mountain area.
How's your signal there?
Signal is E.
Still E. What's this?
The bridge. Oh, truck.
Wow.
Oh. Guys, I think we found the place we can sleep tonight, but we are not sure yet because our offline map is kind of messed up. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, it's getting dark already. Here,
Yeah.
already. It's only 4.
Alright. Let's see how
Right
to
up.
grab that.
We arrived in the place we can camp. Luckily, we can access the internet.
Where'd you work in?
LTE 풀바.
Wow. Scotland is such a challenge to get.
I mean, actually,
signal.
UK itself,
It's so random, like in the middle of
Yeah,
nowhere, you get a
so-
signal.
그러면 우리 치우고 하자.
Yeah.
I wish I have a magic. 하면 다 해줬으면 좋겠다.
It's only 5 o'clock.
I feel like it's 10 p.m. or 11.
Oh, should we just check the weather?
Oh, right.
Okay, so for here, tonight's low temperature, 8 degrees.
Oh, much better. You guys know that we bought the work jacket from the terry shop, so I'm gonna test it. No, the. 아니야 댄스 해봐.